The African savanna teems with life, from the largest elephants to the smallest insects, creating a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. Amongst this diversity thrives a unique and captivating creature, the four-toed hedgehog, a small yet fascinating mammal. Known scientifically as Atelorix albiventris, this little mammal is also called the African pygmy hedgehog. It is a species that has intrigued scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. True to its name, it is smaller than its European cousins, reaching only about 7 to 12 inches in length, making it one of the more petite members of the hedgehog family. Don't let its diminutive size fool you, however. The four-toed hedgehog is a master of survival, equipped with an arsenal of fascinating adaptations that help it thrive in the wild. These hedgehogs make their homes in a variety of habitats across Central and Eastern Africa, showcasing their incredible adaptability. From dry savannas and grasslands to woodland edges, they prefer areas with ample ground cover for foraging and shelter, ensuring they have access to food and protection. Unlike some other hedgehog species, the four-toed hedgehog is quite adaptable and has even been found in agricultural areas, demonstrating a certain tolerance for human presence and activity. Their adaptability is a testament to their resilience and resourcefulness, allowing them to thrive in various environments. One of the most endearing features of the four-toed hedgehog is its appearance, which has charmed many who encounter it. They have a compact body covered in sharp spines, except for their underside, face, and legs, which are covered in soft fur, providing a unique contrast in texture. Their coloring is typically a salt and pepper mix of brown and white, providing excellent camouflage in their natural environment, helping them blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Their most distinctive feature, however, is the four toes on their hind feet, which sets them apart from most other hedgehog species and gives them their name. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of the four-toed hedgehog, exploring its unique defense mechanisms and how it navigates its environment with remarkable skill. Join me as we uncover the secrets of this remarkable creature and learn more about its intriguing behaviors and survival strategies.
Life on the vast and unpredictable African savanna is fraught with danger, especially for a small and seemingly vulnerable creature like the four-toed hedgehog. Predators abound in this harsh environment, ranging from stealthy snakes that silently slither through the grass to cunning birds of prey that soar high above, scanning for their next meal. To survive in such a hostile and predator-rich environment, the four-toed hedgehog has developed a unique and highly effective defense mechanism, its spines, which are its first line of defense. These spines are not merely prickly hairs but are actually modified hairs made of keratin, the same protein that makes up our nails and hair, providing both flexibility and strength. Remarkably, these spines are hollow and light, yet they are incredibly strong and sharp, capable of deterring even the most persistent of predators. When threatened, the four-toed hedgehog contracts a powerful muscle along its back, causing it to curl into a tight, impenetrable ball, a move that is both swift and instinctive. This instinctive behavior exposes only the spines, effectively protecting the hedgehog's vulnerable underside, face, and limbs from potential harm. But the four-toed hedgehog's defensive repertoire doesn't end there. It has another fascinating trick up its sleeve. They also practice a fascinating behavior known as anointing, which adds another layer to their defensive strategy. When encountering a new scent or substance, the hedgehog will lick or chew on it, creating a frothy saliva that it then spreads onto its spines, a behavior that is both curious and intriguing. The exact purpose of anointing is still debated among scientists, but theories suggest it might mask their own scent from predators, deter parasites, or even act as a form of chemical defense, adding to their arsenal. This combination of physical and chemical defenses makes the four-toed hedgehog a formidable opponent, even for larger and more aggressive predators. While some persistent hunters might still pose a threat, the hedgehog's spiky armor and clever behaviors often dissuade all but the most determined attackers, ensuring its survival in the wild. As darkness descends on the vast savanna, the four-toed hedgehog awakens from its daytime slumber, ready to face the challenges and adventures of its nocturnal lifestyle. While their eyesight is relatively poor, they possess other heightened senses that allow them to navigate their environment and locate prey with remarkable efficiency, making up for their visual limitations. Their most acute sense is their sense of smell, which is incredibly developed. Their long, pointed snout is equipped with highly sensitive olfactory receptors, allowing them to detect the faintest whiff of food or potential danger, even from a considerable distance. They can sniff out insects buried beneath the soil with precision, worms wriggling in the grass and other hidden morsels, and even detect the scent of predators from afar, giving them ample time to react. Their hearing is also exceptionally keen, complementing their sense of smell. Their large rounded ears are not just for show but act like satellite dishes, capturing the slightest sounds in their surroundings. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of insects, the scurrying of small mammals, all are audible to the hedgehog's sensitive ears, providing a detailed auditory map of their environment, helping them stay alert and aware. This combination of smell and hearing allows the four-toed hedgehog to navigate its nocturnal world with confidence and precision. They are true masters of their domain, using their finely tuned senses to exploit every opportunity and avoid potential threats, ensuring their survival in the wild. The African night is alive with the sounds of activity, but for the four-toed hedgehog, it is a time for solitary pursuits. These creatures are primarily solitary animals, preferring to forage and explore their territories alone, except during the breeding season. Their solitary nature is likely an adaptation to their foraging habits and the availability of resources. By spreading out and avoiding competition for food, they increase their chances of finding enough to sustain themselves. This solitary lifestyle also minimizes the risk of attracting predators, as a lone hedgehog is less conspicuous than a group. Despite their solitary nature, four-toed hedgehogs are not entirely antisocial. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, snuffles, and even a high-pitched whistle. These sounds are used to attract mates, defend territories, or warn off rivals. Their solitary existence is a testament to their adaptability and resilience. By embracing a life of independence, the four-toed hedgehog has carved out a successful niche for itself in the challenging environment of the African savanna. So, let's dive into the dietary needs and habits of the four-toed hedgehog. These fascinating creatures primarily feed on insects, making them insectivores. You'll often find them munching on beetles, caterpillars, and even earthworms. But interestingly, they are also known to enjoy a variety of fruits and vegetables. In the wild, their diet can be quite diverse, including small vertebrates and even bird eggs. It's important to note that in captivity, a balanced diet is crucial to keep them healthy and thriving. Now let's talk about hibernation and activity. The four-toed hedgehog is known for its unique hibernation patterns. During colder months, typically from October to April, they enter a state of hibernation to conserve energy. In this period, their metabolic rate drops significantly, allowing them to survive on stored body fat. When they are active, usually during the warmer months, they are primarily nocturnal. They spend their nights foraging and exploring, covering surprisingly large distances for such small creatures. Understanding these activity patterns is essential for their care and conservation. The four-toed hedgehog, known scientifically as Atelorix albiventris, is primarily found in Central and Eastern Africa. Its range extends from Senegal in the west to Sudan in the east, and down to Zambia in the south, covering a vast area. In terms of lifespan, these hedgehogs typically live up to 3 to 4 years in the wild, facing various challenges. However, with proper care and captivity, they can live as long as 6 to 8 years, which is quite remarkable. It's quite fascinating how their distribution and lifespan vary based on their environment and the care they receive. One of the most distinctive features of the four-toed hedgehog is, as the name suggests, its 4 toes on each hind foot. Unlike other hedgehogs that have 5 toes, this unique trait helps it adapt to its environment. Additionally, their spines, which are modified hairs, provide excellent protection against predators. These hedgehogs have an incredible ability to roll into a tight ball, making it nearly impossible for predators to get past their spiky defense. Their keen sense of smell and hearing also play a crucial role in their survival, allowing them to detect food and danger from a distance. The conservation status of the four-toed hedgehog is currently listed as least concern by the IUCN. However, habitat loss and the pet trade pose significant threats to their populations. In terms of care, these hedgehogs require a habitat that mimics their natural environment, with plenty of space to roam and explore. A balanced diet consisting of insects, fruits, and vegetables is essential for their health. Regular veterinary checkups are also important to ensure they remain healthy in captivity. It's crucial that we take steps to protect their natural habitats and provide proper care for those kept as pets. In conclusion, the four-toed hedgehog is a remarkable species with unique adaptations that have allowed it to thrive in various environments. By understanding their needs and the challenges they face, we can contribute to their conservation and ensure their survival for future generations. If you're considering keeping a hedgehog as a pet, please do thorough research and ensure you can meet their specific needs. Let's all do our part in protecting these fascinating creatures. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn more about the four-toed hedgehog.